Jimmer Tashiv, Fáilte go Clada Cuig. Welcome to Programme 5. By now you're probably eager to express an opinion in Irish and chat about your likes and dislikes. Well, today we're going to show you how to do just that. Television is always a popular subject. Let's have a listen to these people express an opinion on some television programmes. The key phrases to look out for are Ismaitlum, I like, and Nímaitlum, I don't like.
Ismaitlum home and away.
Ismaitlum Coronation Street.
Nímaitlum, Top of the Pops.
Ismaitlum, now you're talking.
Nímaitlum Little Too.
So, if you want to say that you like something, it's Ismaitlum, I like, Ismaitlum. And to say that you don't like something, it's Nímaitlum, I don't like, Nímaitlum.
Ismaitlum home and away.
Ismaitlum Coronation Street.
Nímaitlum, Top of the Pops.
Ismaitlum, now you're talking.
Nímaitlum Little Too.
Nímaitlum, I don't like. Nímaitlum. Ismaitlum, I like. Ismaitlum.
There are no equivalents of the English words yes and no in Irish. For example, if you ask the question, An Mailet Coffee, do you like coffee? The complete answer to this question is Ismaitlum Coffee, I like coffee, or Nímaitlum Coffee, I don't like coffee. However, people usually use the abbreviated version of this phrase and just say Ismai or Nímai. Listen.
Mailat cash. Ismai.
Cé hosa, Misha Owen Cé hosa. Liam, am I at school? Ismai.
Go Milishkil, cup of tea at the hall.
Michael.
WB Yates. And my lad Yates.
It's my. And my lad's a yet.
Ní mai.
And Mailet Cash, do you like cheese? Cup of tea at the hall. A cup of tea, please. Did you notice a slight difference in the last example? And my latsa Yates. Latsa is used when returning the question and my lat. And my latsa Yates. Do you like Yates? And finally, Cé hasa, who are you? Let's watch those again.
Mailat cash. Ismai.
Cé hosa, Misha Owen Cé hosa. Liam, am I at school? Ismai.
Go Milishkil, cup of tea at the hall.
Michael.
WB Yates. And my lad Yates.
It's my. And my lad's a yet.
Ní mai.
A mailat. Do you like? A mailat. A mailatsa. Do you like? A mailatsa. Ismai. Yes, I do. Ismai. Ní mai. No, I don't. Ní mai.
The Irish for pastime is Caithfimsere. Let's have a look now at some people's favourite pastimes.
Ismaitlum a bheith gesgaracht.
Ismaitlum bheith siúil.
Ismaitlum mac cócracht.
Smiling ve Gardracht. Let's watch those again.
Ismaitlum a bheith gesgaracht.
Ismaitlum bheith siúil.
Ismaitlum mac cócracht.
Smiling ve Gardracht.
Ismaitlum bheith gairdeacht. I like gardening. Ismaitlum bheith gairdeacht. Ismaitlum bheith cócracht. I like cooking. Ismaitlum bheith cócracht. Ismaitlum bheith siúil. I like walking. Is smailm ve shul. Is smailm ve gieskerat. I like fishing. Is smailm ve gieskerat.
Sometimes you might like to express a stronger opinion. For example, I don't like crabs at all. At all in Irish is ar chorrby. Ní mailam portan ar chorrby. Have a listen to these.
Ní mailim ríhaí ar Harrabí.
Go Timmer Tet, where imagine you sharing?
Go mai.
Coffee?
Ní mailim cafe ar Harrabí.
An mailet portain.
Ní mailim ar Harrabíad.
There were a few words there that you mightn't have heard before. Kudimmer tatu or Majin. How are you this morning? Majin, morning. Portan, crabs, and Riwari, computers. Did you notice a slight difference in the last example? Ní mailim ar chorrby iad. Iad, them. I don't like them at all. Ní mailim ar chorrby iad. Let's look at those examples again.
Ní mailim ríhaí ar Harrabí.
Go Timmer Tet, where imagine you sharing?
Go mai.
Coffee?
Ní mailim cafe ar Harrabí.
An mailet portain.
Ní mailim ar Harrabíad.
Ní mailim a Harrabíad. I don't like them at all. Ní mailim a Harrabíad. Ní mailim cafe a Harrapy. I don't like coffee at all. Ní mailim cafe a Harrapy.
An mailet seachlad.
Ní mailim a chorrby.
In the last example, you heard the question, and might like chocolate. Do you like chocolate? The reply was, Ní mailim ar chorrby. The object, chocolate, was replaced by a, it. Ní mailim ar chorrby. You'll hear more examples of this later in the programme.
An mailet seachlad.
Ní mailim a chorrby.
Ní mailim a Harrabia. I don't like it at all. Ní mailim a Harrabia.
Deirdre thinks that La El Valentine, Valentine's Day, is ho romansulchen, so romantic, and Shan has forgotten all about it. But he's trying hard to find a way to make up for it.
Hello, Nuala. Could you tatu or Majin?
Go mais, tá hain?
Inta.
Ítach.
Great. On top of the world.
Tá litir an seodait.
Ah, litter. Inta.
Card the Valentine.
It's mailim Lal Valentine. Did you send a card?
Could you tatu on you?
Lal Valentine.
Lyle Valentine. Ticket ye. Don Valentine's ball. Come on, let's go. Second.
Second. Ar maiile é? Ní mai. Ar maiile é? Ní maiile mé ar chorrby. Bhfuil de cinse? Ar chorrby.
Inta. Mwah. Valentine. Go on,
The Irish words for physical features crop up in a lot of place names, like this one, Carrigargish, Carrickfergus. Carrick is the Irish for rock, Carrigargish, Fergus is rock. Long before this castle was built, Fergus MacEirc was the ruler of the ancient kingdom of Dalriada in northeast Ulster. He extended his kingdom across to Scotland and in the process brought the Irish language to Scotland. Carrig is a very common word in place names. Other words for rocks, hills, mounds and mountains are crag, crag or rock, crook, hill, cairn, mound and slieve, mountain. You can look out for them in the following place names: crag, crag or rock, crook, hill, cairn, mound and slieve, mountain. A charrig, the rock. Craigiwada, rock of the boat. Crockmeal, bald hill. Carndonach, cairn of the church. Slieve Donart, Donart's mountain. Fergus was on his way back from Scotland once. Some say to arbitrate between fighting princes in Ulster, and others say to obtain a cure from one of the spring wells on the rock here. However, his boat hit a rock on or near this place, and ever since it's been called Carrigargish, Fergus's rock. Today, Carrickfergus is more famous for its castle than for Fergus MacEirc, who gave the place its name. It's one of the biggest, oldest and best preserved castles in the country. Even though the experts claim that the famous song was written about another Carrickfergus in County Kilkenny, rightly or wrongly, most people associate it with this Carrigargish. For a quick recap on what we've done so far. To ask someone if they like something, it's an maithlat. Do you like? An maithlat. To answer the question, if you mean yes, say is mai, and if you mean no, ní mai. And if you don't like it at all, ní maithla mar chorrbia.
Could you have a
Go mai gur mai.
An maithlat's gone in.
Tan bradan go mai?
Ní mailam bradan.
An maithlat seachlodge.
Ní mailam a chorrbia.
What if you want to say that you prefer one thing to another? For example, I like coffee, but I prefer tea. Smilam coffee, as farlum tea. Is farlum, I prefer. Is farlum. Let's look at some examples.
Ní mailam coffee.
Ní mailam coffee?
Ní mai, is fearlam tea.
Yates. An Milet Yates.
Is mailam Yates, is fearlam Kavanagh.
Is mailam Cary Grant. Is mailam Cary Grant. Is mailam Yates, is fearlam Yates. Is mailam Yates, is fearlam Kavanagh. Is mailam Yates, is fearlam Kavanagh. Is mailam Yates, is fearlam Yates. Is mailam Cary Grant. Is mailam Yates, is fearlam Kavanagh. 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 Is mailam Yates, is
As Farlam Clark Gable.
An se seo mai?
Tá sé mai as fearlam an cin seo.
Will se show mai? Is this good? Will se show mai? And ceann seo, this one, and ceann seo. Have another look.
Ní mailam coffee.
Ní maiile coffee?
Ní mai, is fearlam tea.
Yates. An Milet Yates.
Is mailam Yates, is fearlam Kavanagh.
Is Milam Cary Grant. as Farlam Clark Gable.
Mu seo mai.
Tá sé mai as fearlam an cin seo.
Is fearlam. I prefer. Is fearlam.
If you ask someone and might let shukra, and they answer is my, you might like to add that you like sugar too. Smile lumps the sugar fosta. I like sugar too. Smile lumps the sugar fosta. Let's look at some examples.
Is Smilum heavy metal? Kajay! Is Smilum heavy metal? Smilum Safasta! Kajay!
I might let you two.
Is my. As Farlam Prince.
Is Farlam so fast, eh?
Smile lumps the heavy metal fosta. I like heavy metal too. Smile lumps the fosta a. I like it too. As in our previous examples, both ways of answering are equally correct. And in the last example you heard, Sfar lumps the fosta a. I prefer it too. Sfar lumps the fosta a. Let's watch them again.
Is Smilum heavy metal? Kajay! Is Smilum heavy metal? Smilum Safasta! Kajay!
I might let you two.
Is my. As Farlam Prince.
Is Farlam so fast, eh?
Is fearlam sa fosta. I prefer it too. Is fearlam sa fosta. Is smilum sa fosta. I like it too. Is smilum sa fosta.
To say I hate in Irish is fuilum. I hate is fuilum. Is fuilum inyating. I hate the rain. On the other hand, if you want to say that you really like something, you say it's brelum. I really like. It's brelum. It's brelum an Irian. I really like the sun.
Is Fuelum Glassry.
Sprelum Blehenny.
Is Brelum Anvia.
Glassry, vegetables, blahany, flowers, and aniviha, animals. Let's look at them again.
Is Fuelum Glassry.
Sprelum Blehenny.
Is Brelum Anvia.
Sprelum. I really like. Sprelum. Sfualum. I hate. Sfualum.
In an earlier programme, we learned the numbers 1 to 10. A hien, a da, a trí, a cahar, a cuig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, and lee, a day. But what if you want to go beyond 10? All you have to do is add the word jeg to the numbers 1 to 9. But look out for 12. Jeg is softened to jeg. Have a look at some examples.
Doyag, Trijag, Kerjag, Quijag.
Every heen jeag le the hall. Gur maigus.
Ever a sé jeag le the hall. Gur maigus.
Ever a sharp dig. Ever a hard dig. Ever a knee dig.
Let's watch those again.
Doyag, Trijag, Kerjag, Quijag.
Every heen jeag le the hall. Gur maigus.
Ever a sé jeag le the hall. Gur maigus.
Ever a sharp dig. Ever a hard dig. Ever a nídig.
A híndéag. A dáéag. A trídéag. A ceardéag. A cuigdéag. A sédéag. A seachdéag. A hochtdéag. A naidéag.
An máile tá?
Ó, is mai, tá se go hélan.
Is máil am tú fásta?
Is fúil mé. Is fearla mé seo.
Ámadain.
Second. Trí huair a chléig.
Tá brún orm. Ní háláid sé ríis.
Ní harlóid sé.
Ní háláid sé ríis. It won't happen again.
I hope not. Did you get the tickets?
Where's Lygia? Ní máil am Lyle Valentine.
Shinjarula Clarilla, that's the end of another programme. Next time we learn how to ask for and order food and drink. So until then, Gudishan, Slán.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard a smilum,
Ní maithlam,
and mailat,
and my latsa,
a smai,
ní mai,
a smilum ve garadaracht,
a cockaracht,
a shul,
a gieskaracht,
ní mailum cafe a harabi,
a sfarliam,
fosta,
a spreliam,
a sfualum,
a hinjeg,
a dáéag,
a tríjeg,
a ceardéag,
a cuigdeg,
a sédéag,
a seachdeg,
a hochtdéag,
a níjeg.